So hello and welcome guys. In this video I will show you that how you will get the design system of Duolingo that I have created, and it's working very fine. You can see I also have added some animations here, and see this. Wow. And this is dashboard. You can see chat, capture, journals, and there are so many things. I will not show you the journals, and you can start a journal something like this and capture yourself, audio, video. Hello, how are you? Let's go. Hello, how are you? Let's go. So if you want to get this, I have created an open source repo that you can find here. You have to go to GitHub. Open source. This is Lingokit-UI, and here you can directly implement it like ShadChain does, something like this, similar to ShadChain UI, and you can also contribute here, or you can directly copy for your AI tools using the design.md. And this is the full design system that Duolingo uses, collected from the official sources of Duolingo. So this was the video, and the UI looks really good. That's why I'm sharing this with you. So give it a star. It has 0 stars now it has 1 star, and I'm also going to deploy a web UI so you can easily integrate it. Thanks for watching the video.